Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. Today we're learning about data types, the categories Python uses for values, like numbers and text. We'll also explore fun tricks like a string concatenation and replication. Let's dive in. Every value in Python has a data type. The main ones are integers, whole numbers like -2, 0, or 42. Floating point numbers, decimals like 3.14 or -0.5. And we have strings. Text like hello are considered as strings. Strings must be in single quotes, as you can see, like hello is in single quotes, and something like Mohsen or cat. These are all strings because they are in single quotes. Okay, now let's talk about the plus operator. The plus operator adds numbers, but with strings, it concatenates, joins them. Let's try something. Let's try Alice plus Bob and then press enter. It gives us Alice Bob. No space is added, so it's one word. But if we try something like Alice plus 42 and then press enter, it gives us an error because you can't mix strings with integers. You can only concatenate a string to a string, not integer. That's the error, a type error Python gave us. So the plus operator adds numbers, and for strings, it concatenates them, like we saw. Next, we have the asterisk operator. Asterisk operator multiplies numbers, but with a string and an integer, it replicates. Let's try something like Alice times 5. What do you think is the result? Okay, let's see. It gives us Alice 5 times added together with no space. It's cool, right? But if we try something like Alice times Bob, oh sorry, Alice times Bob and then press enter, or it won't work. Python needs a string and an integer. It's a type error and says can't multiply sequence by non-int of type string. We used asterisks for two strings and Python says it can multiply sequences. And if we try Alice times 5.0, it still doesn't work because, as I said, Python needs an string and an integer to do what we want. For example, hello times 7. It gives us hello 7 times, added nothing, and that's it. You can try something like hi plus Mohsen. It's a practice. It gives us hi Mohsen. If we want the space between them, hi plus Mohsen. We added one space here, so when we press enter, it says hi Mohsen. Or we can try something like wow times 3. It gives us wow, 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 right? Okay, you nailed it. You now know integers, floats, strings, concatenation, and replication. Practice in idle with whatever you like. Hello world, Python times 3, and see what you will get. Next, we'll learn about variables to store values. Subscribe and see you soon.